Okay, so once you log into your dashboard using the link, your domain name.com/WP admin, you log into your dashboard and you'll see you'll see the welcome to WordPress screen. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about how to choose your theme. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go to Appearance on the left hand side. Going to go to Themes. And right now, the active theme is 2023. That is the active theme that is set as your active theme after you install WordPress. Okay, so we're going to actually use a different kind of theme. The theme that I prefer is Astra. They have a free version as well as a pro version. I use a pro version, but the free version is very robust. It has a lot of built-in features. And if you wanted to add additional functionality to Astro, the theme, you can also add plugins, such as a page builder that would help you build your pages, customize them the way you would like to customize them. But right now, we're just going to go choose your theme. Going to do add theme, and there you have a list of popular themes, and these are free themes. So you also have a choice to upload a theme. Say you purchase a theme from a provider, you purchased it, and once you purchase it, they'll give you a zip file download file to upload into your WordPress dashboard. But for this video, we're going to choose Astra as the WordPress theme. I've used a few other themes before to build websites, but I prefer Astra because it is lightweight. It is easily customizable. You have full control over your header, your layouts, your blog pages. It is very lightweight and it is performance optimized, meaning it's it's fast to load as well as it gives a great user experience. So we're going to go ahead and choose Astra to install. Okay, and then we're going to activate. Okay, so now you see you have Astra is your active WordPress theme. Okay, so you see the button here, Customize. So what you can do is go here, click on Customize, and it'll take you to the theme customizer. Okay, and this is where you set up your navigation. You add your logo. You add your global settings such as your typography, your colors, your container, buttons. Okay. And then here is your header builder. This is where you set your logo, your menu, and whatever else you want to add to your header. And they have 3 levels here. So this will be above the title, the menu, and this is below, right above the page itself. And of course, the header appears on every page of your website. Okay. And then you have where you set your page layout. You want it to be container. You want to be default, which is default is just in the middle. Then you have the normal. Then you have narrow. You're not going to really see a whole lot until you build your pages, the differences. Okay. This is where you set your footer builder. Right now, it is copyright, the SEO friendly. This is your website name, and it's powered by WordPress. So you can always change that. You click on a copyright, and you can change this information here. You can take out the powered by. Here you go. And this code right here, copyright, current year, this pulls whatever the current year is. So you don't even have to update your year. Like when it's 2024, it'll automatically update. Site identity is where you set your logo. You can upload your logo right now. It is the Astra logo right here. The tagline. Site icon. The site icon is what appears in your browser. You can't see what I'm pointing at, but it's basically right now there's a global, like a globe here, but in the site icon, if you add a site icon there, which is typically like like a smaller version of your logo, and it'll appear in the tab, the browser tab, next to the name of your website. Okay, then we have the menus. You can have several menus actually, but the main menus will be the primary menu, which is up here, the footer menu, which appears, down here if you were to add a footer menu down here, as well as what they call an off campus for mobile devices. So it would be the menu here. So if you click here, you can have a completely different menu here for your mobile devices. And as you can see, oh, and also before I forget, homepage settings. You can set the static page. Right now we're set to home. And then you can set your posts page, whichever, like if you have a blog post. Okay, your static page will be set here. And then if you wanted to, be adventurous, you can add additional CSS. I'm not going to go into a lot of CSS, but I will at some point in one of my videos. We just give you a little introduction, to some CSS that you can use in your WordPress to customize it even further. And then last but not least, these little icons down here, this shows you that it's you can see what it looks like on a desktop or laptop. This is for like a tablet view. This is what it looks like on the tablet. And then this is what it looks like on a mobile device. And you can customize it. You can change the font. I'm sorry, you can change the logo here. You can change, maybe you want a different type of logo for your mobile devices. You can change the size of it on a mobile device, and any change that you make in this view will only affect this view. It's like a trickle down, because anything you change here, it will trickle down to the to the tablet, and then to the mobile, unless you specifically make changes to those views. Okay, and that's it. If you like this type of comment, subscribe now. Leave a comment if you have any questions. See you next time.